Hi, I'm Healing Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Backyard Shenanigans video. Ladies and gentlemen, I woke up this morning with garden on the brain. I did, y'all. We've been up watching like the football games and stuff like that, y'all, and I could not help myself. Y'all, I gotta plant. I gotta put something in the garden, y'all. I gotta throw some seeds. I gotta sow some seeds. I gotta do it. So what I've been doing while we've been watching the football games, y'all, is preparing for Aunt Gerry's garden. I want to sow some seeds in there. If you remember from past Backyard Shenanigan videos, YouTube shorts, and community tab posts, y'all, please check out my YouTube shorts. Please check out my community tab posts. I have a lot of information in there that doesn't always show up in the video. So make sure you'll check that out. And while you're at it, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share your information and knowledge and points of view in the comment section. And of course, share my video and share my playlist with everyone you know. I'm gonna post some pictures up. I think I may have already done this in the community tab, or I plan on doing it, y'all, some kind of way, but I'm gonna post the pictures up of the garden layout for Aunt Gerry's garden. This is how I intend to set it up. Now it is a 6 foot by 2 foot and it's about 2 feet high. It is a raised bed. I do have a garden square, and that means that I can fit 12 squares in that garden, more or less. I do have 3 oyas in there that will take up some space, and I use the oyas to get water deep down into the soil to help water the roots as they grow. And then I also have some compost in place pitchers that are at the 2 edges of the garden. I use the compost in place pitchers to put in food scraps, old leaves, plants, stuff like that, which eventually break down and also nourish the soil. So besides those things that I have in Aunt Gerry's bed, I do plan on planting about 12 squares worth of vegetables. Now, y'all, you know I have a problem with overplanting. It seemed like it's not a lot to me, y'all, but then when stuff start growing and growing up and growing out and expanding, I can't even tell what's in there. Y'all take a look at some of my previous Backyard Shenanigans videos, like specifically Aunt Gerry's garden. Things just tend to grow very well in that spot. Thank you, Jesus. Now, however, in the winter months, because we at the end of December now, that bed, that area doesn't get as much sun. It does get some sun. So I'm actually expecting things to grow very slowly, germinate slowly, get probably a smaller harvest than I would if it was during the summertime. But that's okay, y'all. I just cannot let that bed sit empty from now until the spring. I wanted to show you the seeds that I plan on sowing in the bed as soon as I get everything done. And I put everything, y'all know I have my little garden albums, y'all. I got these are photo albums from the Dollar Tree 99-cent store. And I think they have 12, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, they have 12 sections. So you can put like 24 packs of seeds. If you put one on each side, you can put 24 packs of seeds. I have one of these for all of my growing spaces. So my 6 pallets, my 5-gallon buckets, my 15-gallon containers, the 6 by 2 Aunt Gerry's garden, all of the different areas of my garden where I'm growing, I have one of these albums. That way, in case I forget my labels, which y'all will see, I'm doing a lot better with my labels, but in case I forget what I'm growing in a certain area, I could always go back to the album and see what it is. And if I'm growing, if I only have like 1 pack of seeds and I'm growing the same thing in different areas, then I put like a popsicle stick, or I'll put a label in the spot, you know, just so I know, okay, yes, I'm growing this in this area. In this 6x2 raised bed, I intend on sowing 13 different type of seeds. Some of them it's the same plant, it's just a different variety, but I do plan on growing 13 different type of seeds. I'm not gonna be able to, you know, like flip through the whole thing, but y'all know what seed packs look like. Y'all have seen all of these seed packs before. These are not anything new, but I'm just gonna read them off right quick because I want to try to make this a quick clip. So I have Detroit red beets, Calabrese sprouting broccoli, Waltham broccoli, which is a 2021 seed, y'all. So the majority of these are 2022 seeds. I think I have 2 that's 2021 and 1 that's 2023. So the Waltham broccoli, those are 2021 seeds. And the Copenhagen early cabbage, that's a 2021 seed. Ferry's round Dutch cabbage is a 2022 seed. I have Nantes carrots, the Snowball X cauliflower, that's a 2023 seed, and I think everything else is 2022. So Georgia collards, Premier blend kale. Now I think it's like 3 to 5 different varieties of kale, but all of the seeds all mixed together. So I'm gonna plant just a few of them seeds, but it'll be different kind of kale that come up. I have Southern Giant curled mustard, sugar snap peas. I think in my layout it says snow peas, y'all, but it's sugar snap peas. Then I have Bloomsdale spinach. And finally, I have Giant Noble spinach. This is what I plan on growing. Y'all see, I already have the labels made. Everything is going to be good to go. It's getting too dark for me to sow the seeds today. So I'm probably going to do that tomorrow. So on Tuesday, I'm going to plant the seeds. But I'm trying to just get through the prep for the garden. I think I'm going to do like a watering tomorrow morning. Let that water soak in, and then in the afternoon I'm gonna go out and plant the seeds because I'm trying to wait until the day like warms up some. It's not gonna warm up, I don't know, like too much more than the morning, but it's still getting up to like 70, like the low 70s here, between like 65 and like 72 or 73 during the daytime, and then at night it's in like basically all of the 50s and even into the low 60s at night. So in my particular area. I am in Southern California. So I'm in zone 10B. We always have mild winters. It doesn't snow. It doesn't get super cold. It gets just cold enough, y'all, for my cherry trees to get the amount of chill hours that they need. Thank goodness for that. But we don't have harsh winters. It's very mild. And in zone 10B in my area, we can grow year round. I just wanted to share with you the seeds that I plan on sowing in Aunt Gerry's garden tomorrow afternoon. And hopefully we'll get some harvest. Like I said, if things grow slow or if it's, you know, a smaller size, I don't mind that, y'all. I just could not let that raised bed sit from basically November, I think, when I finished cleaning it up, until March or April, y'all. I just couldn't do it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.